Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a breaking news announcement. Now this is just something I had to share with you all. Now I don't know about you, but for me, other than Thomas, there's always been an unsung hero of mine when I was a kid that got me into steam trains as well as the little blue tank engine. And for years and years I've searched for merchandise. I've really been hoping that someone somewhere along the line would finally do a model of it, and today is the day. So that's right, it's finally happening. Ivor the Engine is coming in 00 gauge form. I can't believe we're finally here, but thank Rapido Trains and the announcement done by Rails and Sheffield. It's here, it's happening. Ivor the Engine is finally coming to the model railway layout. So yeah, that's right, Rapido Trains have announced a newly tooled mould based on the little Welsh tank engine, and boy oh boy do these look good. Now from what I understand, this is due to be released at some point in 2025 and pre-orders are now available. I have pre-ordered mine from Rails of Sheffield, which there will be links below, but for man, I can't stress how good these really do look. So there's two to choose from here, and starting with the Ivor, the train pack itself. Now you will get Ivor himself, and he actually comes with working headlamps and a glowing egg in the firebox. Really nice touch there. He will also come with two open sheet wagons as well as 2D printed figures of Jones the Steam, Day Station, Idris the Dragon, and 3 sheep along with it. The pack will also come up with a fold-up cardboard engine shed and water tower, as well as a brand new Ivor the Engine story written by the son of the original creator of the show, Daniel Postgate. Now, the basic pack with the accessories included will cost you £169.95, or you can get DCC ready with fitted sounds originally recorded from the original recordings of the show, and this will come at £259.20. Now overall, I think personally, considering you're getting obviously the Ivor, the rolling stock, you're getting the little 3D cutouts and the original story done by the son of the original creator of the show as well, brand new written Ivor story. And like I say, Ivor is going to come with working headlamps. You're going to have working firebox with the little egg there. I'm really curious to see that as well. So overall, I think you're getting quite a lot for your buck there personally. And DCC ready, £259. I really don't think that's a bad price. And the train pack just being at £169, I really don't think that's a bad price at all. Like I say, pre-orders are now currently available, but there is actually another announcement to go along with Ivor himself. Now also there is going to be a rolling stock pack available as well within this line. Now this will include a passenger coach, a coal hopper wagon and 1 plant wagon with crate load. Now the set will also include 2D cardboard figures again, and this will feature Evans the Song, the Choir, Mrs Porty and Bluebell the Donkey, as well as a fold up station and platform. Now the rolling stock pack is available to pre-order now from Rails of Sheffield again, or Rapido themselves, at £97.70. Now, coming from someone who's a huge fan of the show, and believe me, massive fan, they originally re-released it on Blu-ray and DVD, the first 3 seasons of the show back in 2023. I'd really highly applaud you to get that. I got the Blu-ray pack. You get some really nice extras there, and of course as well, seeing the first season in black and white. I've never seen that before, so it's really nice seeing. Really applaud you to get that. But just coming from someone who, as much as they love the little blue tank engine, it's really nice. The OG steam train is finally getting some limelight, and I'm really excited. I really hope as well this spurs on maybe other model creators or just other manufacturers in general, toy make lines, anything, just to maybe sort of get on the bandwagon and really try and push Ivor back in the limelight, because I'm just so happy with it. Really massive applaud to Rails and of course Rapido, who are making the model. I really can't wait for this, the announcement. It's just, yeah, it's made my year. It's made my railway year in total. Let me know in the comments down below what you personally think, whether you're excited about this, whether you were an original fan of the show, whether you're going to pick it up. Let me know. Obviously down below you do have the affiliate link. If you decide you want to go and pre-order this, by all means, it will help out my channel. Obviously you'll get a bit of a discount there. Obviously Rails of Sheffield are already doing that discount anyway, so it's entirely up to you. But yeah, it was just a very, very short, brief announcement. Just had to get it out there. Huge fan of Ivor. Really, really excited for this. Got mine on pre-order. Got the engine pack. Got the rolling stock pack. Bear in mind, when you do get them, still those pictures there, they are done in the style of the show, so it all depends what type of layout you've got at home. I know it's not going to fit everyone's layout, but if you're someone like me who really doesn't care what they run, this is something you might need to get. But yeah, short little emergency announcement. Really hope you enjoyed that. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.